Hi, I'm Michael, and I want to show you how to get started with FiberFix Heat Wrap. While original FiberFix wrap is extremely durable, Heat Wrap is designed for temperatures up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit or over 450 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for repairs on things like exhaust pipes, heaters, and furnaces. Before using Heat Wrap, shut off any heat source connected to the broken item and make sure it's cool enough to apply the wrap safely. The area around the break should be mostly clean. If the surface is smooth or glossy, rough it up with the sandpaper square to give the heat wrap something to grip. Once the surface is prepared, put on the gloves and open the airtight pouch. Like original FiberFix, Heat Wrap is fully activated when it's wet. Submerge it for about 5 seconds in room temperature water for best results. Squeeze it lightly to remove excess water, and we're ready to start fiber fixing. Wrap the first layers carefully to prevent slipping. After the first couple of passes, don't be afraid to pull it tightly to ensure a strong seal. Continue wrapping the item, applying at least 6 layers directly over the break. You'll notice that the heat wrap is longer than the original FiberFix. This allows you to get more support and coverage over the broken area, or to use it to insulate larger areas. Because the cure time is much longer for the heat wrap than the original FiberFix, you also have more time to complete the repair. After you've used the whole roll, remove the paper backing from the metallic compression strip and start applying it where the roll of heat wrap ends. Heat wrap cures with heat, and the adhesive strip is critical for holding the wrap in place during this process. When you've finished applying the strip, turn on the heat source to cure the wrap. Heat wrap cures in about an hour at 850 degrees and will take more time when it's cooler. Without applying any heat, the repair will cure in about 5 hours. For details,
the Quizy Pro Apple Core easily removes the cores of apples. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in the hand. The unique lever splits the core in half for quick, easy release of the core. Insert the core into the apple until it goes all the way through. The handle design allows you to effortlessly twist or push through the center of the apple. Lift out the core and press the lever. The core is easily disposed or composted. The Quizy Pro Apple Core has a large size diameter to ensure the entire core is removed. Once the core is removed, cut into wedges and serve. The Quizy Pro Apple Core, a perfect tool for any kitchen.
I love my kids. I love spending time with them. Our lives are so busy. The time I get to spend with my kids, it's precious. That time you have with them, it just can't be replaced. They grow up too quick. I want to enjoy those moments we have together. I want it to be fun for them. That's why we love our Saddle Baby. It's a hands-free shoulder carrier. It's for parents who want to make the most of the time they get to spend with their children. It can go places that a stroller can't. Your hands are free. You can take a picture. It's compact. It's easy to use. The contoured shape and mold of the foam makes it comfortable for my kid to sit on and for me to wear. As a parent, it's my job to keep them safe. keep them out of harm's way. And there are times I don't want to worry about them letting go of my hand or running off. It just makes life more enjoyable. And they love it. They feel like they're on top of the world. And that's what I want for them. With Saddle Baby, that's what we get.
Are 3 LED lights that go on when it's dark to light your pathway all through the night. Best of all, there's no batteries, wiring, or tricky installation required. You just snap it on, and the built-in light sensor automatically turns Night Angel on when it's dark and off when it's light, because Night Angel gets its power right from your existing outlet. Yes, it's that easy. Watch again. Just snap Night Angel in place and you're done. And unlike regular night lights that are bulky and block your outlets, Night Angel lights your way at night but leaves both outlets free, so you can plug in what you need. Perfect for lighting your path in dark hallways and guiding you up and down those dark, tricky stairs. Put a Night Angel in your bedroom for when you get up at night, or add a comforting nightlight to your child's room or nursery. Ideal for instant accent lights in the kitchen without using up a single outlet, and the bright LED bulbs last